Hello students, in our last class you have learned the different ways to select text using a mouse and cut, copy and paste feature. Now in this video you will learn how to check spelling and grammar in a document, how to use Thesaurus option and undo and redo option. Now let us begin. I have already inserted one paragraph, and if you look at the paragraph carefully, you will see some of the words are with a red wavy line. So it means this particular words has been wrongly spelled, or there is a spelling error in this word. So I purposely made a spelling mistake to find out whether this MS Word is capable of finding out mistake and giving some suggestions or not. Now I will show you two ways how to check spelling and grammar. The first method is very simple. What you need to do is you need to click on those words that has a red wavy line. So click on that particular word, right click the mouse button, and from the drop down list you need to select the correct word. As you click on that correct word, you will see that those or that particular word that are with the red wavy line has been replaced by the word from this list. So let me click on this word earliest. So see that word has been replaced with this word. So see, let me go to the next text, computer. Here the spelling of computer is wrong. So you just click on the text, right click the mouse button, and from the drop down list choose the correct spelling for the computers, click it. That particular word will replace the wrong word. So in this way you can check the spelling in a document. Now I will show you another way how to check the spelling. Now the second method is click on review tab, and in the proofing group, we call this whole box as a proofing group. There is a spelling and grammar button. So we need to click on spelling and grammar button. Let me repeat. In the review tab under the proofing group, click on spelling and grammar button. So this is a spelling and grammar dialog box. Now let me show you that the word that has been highlighted in the document can be seen inside the spelling and grammar box with a red color. So this particular word is incorrect word, and you can choose the list of correct word from the suggestion list. So after selecting the word, click on change button. As you click on change button, you will see that this particular word will be replaced by the correct word from the suggestion list, and Microsoft Word will automatically highlight the next incorrect word. So let me click on change option. See, it has correct the word earliest and shifted to the next incorrect word, that is computer. So you choose the correct word from the suggestion list and click on change. Again see, after correcting the computer, it has moved to the next incorrect word possible. So in this way, after making a correction, Microsoft will automatically search the next incorrect word. So what you need to do is, after choosing or selecting a correct word from the suggestion list, you need to click on change button. So after selecting a correct word from the list, every time click on change button. Once the spelling get complete, you will see one dialog box. The spelling and grammar check is complete. Click on OK. So in this way we can check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word. See how quickly the Microsoft Word has checked the spelling of those words or those incorrect word quickly. Now I want to show you how to use a Thesaurus option. if you want to replace a particular word in the document by a word with a similar meaning, we call it as a thesaurus. So to replace a particular word by a word with a similar meaning from a thesaurus box, then we can use a thesaurus option. So let me select one word, say earliest. Now in the review tab and under the proofing group, we go in the thesaurus button here. Again, let me repeat, under the review tab and inside the proofing group, we click on thesaurus button. So once you click on the thesaurus button, you will see one dialog box. We call it as a research task pane. Now in the research task pane, you will see the word that I have selected has already appeared here, and there are some of the list of similar words here. Suppose say the earliest, I want to replace earliest with first. So as you move the mouse pointer in this word, you see one drop down arrow here. Click on this drop down arrow. From the drop down arrow, you need to click on insert. So what happens is this particular word earliest will be replaced by first. So let me click on insert. You see the word earliest has been replaced by first. Now let me select another word, say tube. So for that you need to select the word. After selecting the word, in the search box you have to type that particular word, say suppose TUBE, tube, and if you look at the right side, you will see one green arrow. We call this as a start searching arrow. So click on this arrow, it will search the list of similar words. So these are some of the similar words. Suppose say cylinder. So I want to replace this tube with a cylinder. So move the mouse pointer in cylinder. From the drop down arrow, you just click on insert. This particular word, that is tube, will be replaced by cylinder. Click on insert. It has been replaced with the cylinder. So in this way we can replace the word that is in the document with the similar word, with the word with a similar meaning from the research task pane using a thesaurus option. So this is how we use a thesaurus option. Now finally I will show you how to use undo and redo option. We use undo button to reverse the effect of the last action done. Means whatever the things or the formatting options that we have done to the document, if you want to remove it, we use the undo button, and we use redo button to bring that action back. Now let me show you how to use redo and undo button. So let me highlight this text with particular color, suppose say, and let me highlight this word with another color, or let me change the font color of this text. Now if you want to remove both the formatting, what you need to do is you have to go at the quick access toolbar. We call this as a quick access toolbar. You have to click on this button. We call this as a undo button, or from the drop down arrow you can also click on undo. So click on undo button, you will see the formatting that we have applied to the text will get removed. Click on undo, formatting has been removed. Click on undo, formatting has been removed. Now if you want to bring that formatting back, we have to use a redo button, that is to bring the action back. So you see this particular arrow, we call it as a redo button. Click on this button, those formatting we have applied to the text appears back. So in this way we use undo and redo button. So in this chapter you have learned how to use spelling and grammar button, how to use Thesaurus option, undo and redo button. I hope you have understood it. Now I want all of you to open Microsoft Word. You type your own text. You can type your own text, make lots of spelling mistake in the text, and using this video you just find out or check the spelling and grammar. You can use Thesaurus option, you can use undo and redo button. So I want all of you to practice it at home. Thank you, children.